So the Skyhunter had extensive nose repairs and a bit of a boom attachment repair after its hard landing. My fault as much as anything, I think, but all of those repairs have obviously pushed the CG further forward, which is probably a good thing anyway. So I'm hopeful that today it will be a bit more of a rewarding experience than the other day. It did fly, so you know, it wasn't altogether sad, because it hasn't actually been the best model ever. I might have to try some running landings with it, but I don't know. It's got no rudder control. I am thinking about putting it in, just to alters the bloody CG so much, which is a bit of a drama when you've got this kind of model. Well, it does seem to have... Oh, was that a beep? A blip in the motor? Or was it just blanking? I never checked the leads, or I made sure they were in, and maybe just blanking for the wind. Yeah, okay, so this is much like a Spectre, except the body's not really long enough to accommodate the battery. Now you've got to keep the power up on this one, otherwise it really doesn't like it. Well, that's pretty much flying as well as it has ever done. We'll just see how slow it can go. Okay, that's about 45% throttle, so you probably want that on the approach. And it doesn't spool up very quickly. So this is more, again, more of an endurance model than a... So we're going to come around here, up, down a bit, I said, not to me. Hey, well, that's not bad. Now, when I get off there though, it depends. Up, yeah. Yeah, because I say it's got no directional control, so it's not the best. It really could do with a bit of rudder, a bit of steering, and it probably wants to be about 55–60% generally. It's got a big battery in it, 3,300 I think it is, right off the top of my head, and a fairly large amp rating, 3540, something like that. So not really concerned about that. It's not a huge motor, it's a 1250, and I think that's a 9x45 prop, and again it's probably not the most efficient one. It's one that I used on previous multi rotors, but it is a stiff prop. It's a little bit more of that, and that is in the neutral wing position. I'm going to try flaps this time. Just see what that does. It's 50%. We'll come a little bit higher around this corner. And just whip the flaps on. Yeah, I think that's coming down pretty well. Oh yeah. Whoop, steady. Okay, well we can straighten you out before you get there. Actually, not bad. Not bad. Can certainly live with that. The nose was pretty much destroyed after landing last time, and I think it is a bit of a weak point. and I looked at a replacement body shell. It was 40 something pounds. It's like, you're joking. So when I break this one eventually, as I'm sure I will, I'll actually make one out of multi-skin Depron, I think, and that way I can make it a bit longer as well. That's if I do. Try flaps for takeoff. You're definitely not as user friendly. Oh! Now then, these are speed brakes. I'm going to try these, see what that does. Lazy loop. The bloody thing to mark that. That's a bit hot. Hot, 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 hot. Well, I think we'll call that successful from the filming point of view. Doesn't need to be a blooming epic of what's it proportions. So, well done. Yes.